Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this superb 3008 SUV in the GT line premium specification. So this car's packed full of features. You get this lovely opening panoramic glass roof, full LED headlights, there's 19-inch alloy wheels, keyless entry, electric tailgate. You also get front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car it's half leather interior. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, there's Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control and speed limiter, there's a smartphone charging plate. The car has some great safety features too, including lane keeping assistance, there's blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. To tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.